beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my gorgeous lovely face, my name is Atinuke. If you don't know that, that means this is your first time on this lovely beautiful channel. My name is Atinuke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what a hair company sent me. This is not my first time of working with them. This is my second time of working with that company. All thanks to you guys. Without you guys, this won't be happening, and without God. So Juliet Collection sent me this lovely crochet hair. I've already opened it because I can't wait to feel the texture, to know what it looks like, because I love working with their hair. Their hair is amazing. Their hair is always on point. So this was the package it came with. And guys, the shipping is very fast, very fast. Anywhere you are, this is going to reach to your doorstep. And this is Christmas and New Year period. You can actually order this hair for your Christmas or your New Year as a gift to your family member, your wife, anyone. This hair is so amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see what this hair looks like. And please, if you've not subscribed, can you subscribe to my lovely channel? I really appreciate that, and may God continue to bless each and every one of you for supporting my growth, for supporting my channel. So let me show you guys what the hair look like. I know you want to see that. Let's start now. So this is the hair. This is a jumbo braid.
Second one was 3, the third one was 3, the fourth one is 4, because I have a lot of hair at the middle than my side. So I'm just doing the same thing. And guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I really appreciate each and every one of you for supporting my growth. You guys are so amazing. I'm really glad for that. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. And this hair, I was sent 8 pack of this hair. So I'm going to tell you how many pack I used towards the end of the video, because I didn't finish all the 8 pack. Inside a pack, there is 10 strands of this box braid with coily hair. This crochet box braid with coily hair. This hair is so lightweight, it's not heavy at all, so soft, and they have a lot of amazing hair on their sides. Even if you don't want to go for this, a lot of amazing hair that you can rock for this new year, Christmas, as a gift. As I said from the beginning of my video, they have a lot of amazing hair. So you can see what I did. I'll connect the two, I'll connect it to one braid. I'll turn it to one braid at the back. I'll braid it. So we're already at the back now. I keep crocheting at the back because you don't want to over crochet. You don't want this hair to be much. Remember, this is a jumbo crochet braid. You don't want to put the crochet all over your hair. You have to space your hand when doing it. As far you've already protected the front by doing this versatile method at the front, that is going to hide anything you do at the back. So I just keep crocheting. So I use 5.5 packs. There's 10 strands inside the pack. As I said from the beginning of my video, there's 10 strands of this crochet jumbo box braid with curly end. So I use 5.5. This came out so this came out so beautiful, so lightweight. You can rock it anyhow. I showed you different way you can rock this hair, up, down, side party, center party. I added a little bit of accessories. I don't want it to be too much because the coil is already talking. So I say talking. So this is it. So anyhow you like, you can rock this hair. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, kindly please do that. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Can you see what the back looks like? It's not showing. So see you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.